Hello everyone. If you're getting this error GFX D3D INIT when you're trying to play GTA 5, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying GTA 5 error on your computer easily. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser. You're going to download the settings file. I'm going to put this link into the description of the video. And then what you're going to do is you're going to extract this file into your Rockstar Games. So you're going to open up your file explorer. You're going to go into your documents, Rockstar Games. You're going to go into your GTA 5 and you're just going to paste it here. Tell it to replace the file in the destination. So what that settings file does, it sets your game settings to low, way beyond what the game can do. And that forces your game to load and you won't get that error anymore. You can now go ahead and play your game. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.